Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. As in the title, we'll be learning about RX exhaust system today. So let's get it started. The basic function of any exhaust system is to reduce the sound of the combustion and also to create the back pressure. And nowadays almost all the vehicle uses catalytic converters, which is a catalytic converter is a system where the byproduct of the combustion is converted into water and other non-harmful gases. You can see this catalytic converter system adopted into vehicles since 2000 or slightly before 2000. Yamaha introduced this catalytic converter system into RX after 2001. So any bikes which after 2001 was having the catalytic converter as the stock, and any bike before 2000 was using the chrome type, which you can see in the middle. Later in the year 2003 or 2004, the catalytic converter of RX135 was slightly modified to reduce the weight of the vehicle, and it was called a mini cat by the users actually. RX100 never came with the stock catalytic converter, and RX before the year 2000 used the chrome type silencer, which had a slight taper angle compared to RX100. And now I'll show you how to remove or assemble the exhaust. The steps remains almost similar for any type of exhaust. For this, all you need is two basic tools. One is a 12mm T-spanner and a 22mm box spanner, which you can see in the video lying on the floor. You will see two nuts attached to the bore with the stud, which in my case was a 12mm nut, so I just used a 12mm T-spanner to remove it. These two nuts will be connecting the bent pipe of the exhaust with the bore through a flange. The chrome type exhaust is divided into two types. One is the bent pipe and the other one is the exhaust itself, which is connected with the lock nut provided in between them. The lock nut can be removed only with the special tool used for removing the T-stem of the fork. The lock nut of the chrome type exhaust need not be removed. It can be used the whole exhaust can be used as a single piece and removed as a single piece. Other than that, an hexagonal bolt is used to connect the exhaust to the chassis from below, and the rear part of this exhaust will be connected near the swing arm axle nut, which will be 22mm nut. Whereas the catalytic converter comes as a single piece, where you need to mount the two nuts at the bore and one hexagonal bolt from below to the chassis, and the third one near the passenger right side foot peg. That is just an hexagonal bolt. The bent pipe collar needs to be cleaned, and a suitable exhaust gasket and a sealant needs to be applied before the assembly. There is no particular sequence from where you need to start tightening the bolts. I suggest you to loosely tighten the bolts first and then start fastening the bolts by making sure the packing and the sealant sits properly near the bore. Once everything is in place and assembled, start your engine and just hear the sound of the vehicle and make sure there is no leakage of exhaust gases. So that's it for today guys, hope you learned something. I'll be back with another interesting video soon. So till then, keep supporting, like, share and subscribe, and cheers.